Bonjour, bonjour, fragrance lover, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're talking about the most amazing and sexiest scent I've ever tried since a few months. So let's keep it real. This is a fragrance that is categorized as a men's fragrance, but it's definitely unisex because I'm gonna buy it. This is from Maison Francis Kurt Legend, so I've been already talking about it in my latest video. So I'm not going to talk too much about the house, but it's been created in 2009 by this amazing French perfumer. And I just want to give you a little quote about him to describe a bit the house and the philosophy of the house, and I think it's going to be much more expressive than any of my descriptions. And it's let me read it. So, Paris is the birthplace of the Maison and my every inspiration. It is also where my stories take shape. The fragrances I create and the names I give them provide the punctuation for every story I wish to tell. Without a story and a name, there can be no fragrances, which is definitely something I think. Fragrances is not just a note, it's also an inspiration, and that's how we create dreams in our little head, and that's why we create a note. Anyway, so the fragrance I wanted to talk about, and I think you probably know which one I have if you've watched this video before, it is a Grand Soir. And I've tried this fragrance a few times on my skin now. I'm wearing it now, and it's just it's exquisitely delicious. This is what I want to say. So what you need to know about it, in terms of composition, is that you have Sister Slapdanone, which usually feel a bit more leathery, deep, warm, dark color. You've got a touch of benzoin from Siam, so this type of benzoin is a little bit more vanilla-like, and you do have also Tonka Bean from Brazil, and vanilla and an amber accord. So it's really like more like an oriental fragrance that is giving to us today. And like I said, oriental is very unisex. It gives a bit of sweetness but not too much. And what is really nice with this fragrance is it's ultra long lasting. Seriously, like it leaves a sillage behind you that is stunning. Like you walk into a room, or I don't know, you're on a date or something in the evening and you wear that, the impression it gives like it radiates from the skin. Like I can see it radiating right now. It's stunning. Also, this ambery type of accords gives a little bit of enigmatic, mysterious touch. It's nearly like a Middle Eastern beauty, you know, but in a Parisian way. So let me explain myself with this. the Parisian styles is always like very simple and very elegant, and this is what I feel with this fragrance. Is okay, it's ultra ambery, things like that, but there's a simplicity in it. It's not attacking me, it's not too sweet, there's a nice balance, so it's definitely something that it is not too much, and I can feel you can be like very chic and glamorous without being tacky or too much, I would say, which is absolutely stunning. So it's supposed to, it was in a collection with Petit Matin as well, and Petit Matin is delicious as well, but what I like is there's a real story between those two compositions. It represents a time of the day, so you can really picture yourself when wearing it, and it's really for an occasion during the evening. And what is nice is supposed to represent Paris during the evening as well. It's supposed to represent a never-ending night in Paris, which I can definitely picture because the sillage is never-ending for sure. And also it's got a lot of bright luminosity to it, like it's radiate, like I said, and it's supposed to represent that Paris is always like lighting up during the evening. Like if you have a stroll into Paris during the night, you will see that it's constantly like lighting up, the Eiffel Tower, everything, the monuments are lighting up, and it's really create that romantic and I would say constantly awakened atmosphere. And this is really what I feel in this one. Is like it's energetic but smooth in a very romantic way, which is absolutely stunning in my way. It feels very luxurious but all in simplicity, which is it's beautiful. So it's still sophisticated. Of course it's expensive. It's definitely going to be my next purchase, and you know, it's a lot of commitment to buy a piece like this, but I would say sometimes diamonds have no price, and really when I smell this, I smell, okay, this for me was the price and was the hype. After like, of course you can find a lot of dupe that smell ambery like this, but that elegant and luxurious like this, never. It's for me like, you know, in the fragrance community we use the word masterpiece everywhere. I never use that word, never, only for some pieces that are very occasional. My 10-minute review last time was on Scherzo Mailer Harris. That's what I call a masterpiece, and that is definitely what I call a masterpiece as well. This is Grand Soir, it's priceless. So I would say it's really for someone that wants to leave a great impression. It's like if it's the night of the night and you want to leave that amazing impression, I would say go for this one because it's absolutely stunning, and you will it will never be too much. It's just it's so delicate, so enigmatic, it's attractive without being repulsive. Anyway, beautiful. So I would say like all the MFK fragrance has been really like a revelation for me these days. It's really the type of fragrance that I love. It's opulent but classy, so not too strong, not too much. It's not like a Paco Rabanne that will give you everything, you know, and that's it, and it's not really interesting anymore. This is all in mysterious, and I feel like when I'm moving, the more I'm moving and evolving with it, the more I discover from it, and this could definitely be a signature scent for someone, definitely. So I'm gonna leave you on that note, and I hope you did enjoy this little 10-minute reviews, and I quite like this format because it helped me like to talk about one fragrance and to really talk about it more, because I wanted to talk about it more because I felt last time I was very quick, but now I fully tested it, all approved, so I wanted to you know, to give you a bit more about it. So yeah, this was the video of the day. I will see you in the middle of the week like always, and that's it. Bye now.